Elu megide, elu na megide mmụọ si n'ọbara adịghị anyị na mma o. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to some of you. It depends where you are getting our videos from. From me, from here is good morning. This is early morning broadcast. So I just want to talk about, since when Mazi Simon Ekpa was here, people I want to talk to are these people who always gather themselves in different platforms, in a channel television, in VOP, the one they call Voice of the People, in a what do you call it, Arise Television, in a NTN, in all these news, all these these brown envelope stations. I want to talk to our people who always come to all these platforms. You will see men, you will see women. All these people are all Igbos. What are they doing then when Mazi Simon Ekpa was with us here? Every day, you will see them. Oh, the other one will come out that is doing analysis. Then call him, what do you call it? The one will say that I'm doing analysis. He said that his name is, what do you call that man? Analysis man. He come there. That one will be coming. Anything they are discussing there is only Mazi Simon Ekpa, Mazi Simon Ekpa, Mazi Simon Ekpa, Mazi Simon Ekpa. The other one come, he say he's a lawyer. The other one will come, he say he's a lawyer. He say, yes, we have asked them to bring him back. We have asked the Nigerian government if it's to bring him back will be the solution. Yes, that all of us, all these men and women, they were all gossiping, sitting down on the channels, on the different kind of television stations. They are just sitting down there and be ranting. You see men gossiping like a woman, men with the body, with the, like, just have a flesh of a woman, but they are men. Only what they are good of is gossiping, condemning their own. The one then call Anosike, we say that, oh, I'm doing analysis. Ona go say no. Now I say Simon Ekpa is nobody. Simon Ekpa is nobody. He's just a content creator. Okay, we accepted all that. You and the other one say, I'm a barrister, I'm this. You talk about Simon Ekpa. These people are just there to bring their own down. The same thing they did with our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know what I'm saying. I want you people to come, gather your brain, our people, Igbo people who believe in all these people who stay in different television stations, brown envelope journalists, brown envelope analysis, all these men. See them hana wasu mrindi Igbo, umuoke ndi Igbo, na gossip ka wanye ka hama. The same thing they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, this man, man see from Afaru Ubeku, let's bring him down. He's nobody. He can't do not. But today, the same those people who is shouting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are nobody, you are this, you are that, you can't do nothing. This, you just small boy. After all, one of my brothers and sisters who is in the Senate, who is this, who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to come and be deciding what will be happening in the East. Forget you people, these men and women who come to all these channel television, all these television platform, they will be sitting down in very early in the morning. Both the one they call Anosike, that one now go assume normal hate it say Simon Ekpa, oil war for no reason. Because of you people, Mrem Jurebia. You don't know how now gather. That the same way you people are gathering every day in that the one you in that platform you people call Voice of the People. Every day you people will gathering, gossiping against your own, trying to bring your own down because of it's not you. Maka no obu homo ka im maybe shifting in an name. Let us bring him down. Is nobody. The same thing they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the prophet of our own time. But today, what is going on? The same people, they have not turned back. These are the people you can't trust in with your life, with anything. These are not men. Men are men. You stand in your word. You say a word, you stand on it. You can't wave to the other side or you wave to the other side. But these men, they call themselves men. They are women. These Igbos, men and women, then will be coming in different platforms condemning their own. I want to ask you people, how many Yorubas have come out in platform the way you people are ranting? Come and condemn Sunday Igboho or come and condemn their own. Or condemn OPC. Tell me, it's only you people just to bring your own down. Forget to honor. Na chukwu na nke mbi n'eluigwe chukwu okike abịa ma nka mụ na gị na-abụ nne ekpere. This God, this marvelous God, the more you realize this, the day you realize that is better for you people. All these gossipers bringing your own down in different platforms, thinking that you make them mad, you make it home with it. All these grown-up men gossiping like women. Then we go to Voice of the People, gossiping there. Then we go to Arise Television, gossiping there. Then go NTA, gossiping everywhere, gossiping against their own people. They never say something good. When they see Messiah that comes to them, they want to bring him down because of it didn't come from your lineage, it didn't come from your family, it's not your brother, it's not your sister. Why will him stand? Let's bring him down. Omemma na-emeno onwe ye, omenjo na-emero onwe ye. Kita now, what is happening now? You people now, since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now, you people have made sure that you bring Mazi, our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you people have brought him down, put him in DSS dungeon. Also, no. Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM, come to cover that space. You people, the same way you people gathered to bring him inside where he is now, is under detention in Finland. Now, these two men is out. Now, only one on a television every day, every blessed day, gossiping. Oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is bringing insecurity. Oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is bringing insecurity. I want to ask you people, this men, ntoro tocha tofusi uche maka ego ifenko wa krobo wa. Now you people cannot gather anymore in that station and say that, oh, but this man, Simon Ekpa, you people will be accusing. It's no more here. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is no more here. The situation have even turned. If the situation was like 2% before, that now is more than 150%. That destructions of life and the property, because of you people are aiding your oppressors to destroy the lives and property of your own. Ndi Igbo. If since that day, look at what happened in Enugu State when they kidnapped over about more than 30 people was kidnapped in Enugu State. Every day killings are happening in Enugu State. Come to Ebonyi State. Look at what happened. What stopped you people to gather again in that your Voice television? We say that it's the Voice of the People. You people are no more gathering, discussing about. You see how many lives that were in there. Up to now, I can honestly like young youth and women, and not honestly hanike. Una bankete, no. Now, because of Simon Ekpa, now your job will be done. Gente, kangwage. Onya, you are working for your oppressor. Eating kona, na onye rere mama ya or rere papa to his enemy. So ka okpogo onye ọma. Nwanne mmadụ, ya bụrụ na onye ahụ irere na nke ha nwa self na mbụ na o nwere ajọsuru wete ha just bepụ isi betara nke gị nwa ha mgbe ha ga-abịa to you because of how many people the highest threat or nwere because of if you can sell your flesh and blood to them. So how many onwe ha bụrụ ofe nkụpụ ha mechaa gị. I'm telling you people, this brand envelope journalists, brand envelope analysis, brand envelope lawyers who call themselves, who nickname themselves lawyers and barristers. If I message job for no Wodike. Okay, look at him now. The same thing, no name, and brand of mine didn't and the Kanu, them to bring him down. Okay, now you people have achieved what you people want. Why you people bring solution? There is no solution. Una anadego unye napa. Onye obuna nana bedie nehi ora. Enter, all of you people have hide inside your shell. Ripusie keji. Bankete. If ojo na-eme na ani Igbo, arụ na-eme na ani Igbo, na-egbusisi ụmụ Igbo. Una agbazie nkete. Okwunu so Mazi Simon Ekpa bụ problem unu. Now Mazi Simon Ekpa. Now you people will not gather again the same way you people have been gathered, writing forged petitions, presenting forged documents against an innocent man. Mbiari kozọpụta unu ndị Igbo. Kunu bring ye down. Okay, look at nkewe anakwo Kanu sinebo nwanne our leader. Did you see them talking about nwanne ha nwoke? You can see them. Oburu nkewe anakwo the ex-wife. Nke anakwo ex-wife ya. Did you see that one? Did you see that one talking about his husband? Because of now, on our parade with Bianca Ojukwu. Now, in Ahota, so these people drink champagne on top of arrest of Mazi Simon Ekpa and Joko, celebrating that their own have become down. The same thing they did to his own ex-husband. Both one ma Bobu Mimi, Mankoza, Mankunu na Okano, all of them are all the same. Nda anano chane ego wuju ego na they now keep quiet. See ife chin fotere ya fote. Isi ni bu chechi ex-wife. Onye nka without our leader. And onye nka ga no na village na rubbish now. Kezaya. Akporo go pota age anabeke. Akpọrọ kpọta gị Britain ị na-asụsụ oyibo sụkarịa ndị nnọzi ebe a mbịa m na-ene masịlekwu nwa nkịta okwe ịma na m inweta ife na-atụghị anya n'ụwa a sị na mkpụrụ ọfọ na-emene mba mamịrị ife gị na-atụghị anya n'ụwa atụnye gị n'ụwa ọma ibido isi oyibo ame m na-enene si lekwu nwa ọba asị. Do you know how long I have lived in abroad? How many years m bigo na abroad? This small girl. You look at them, all these people, because of that, the government, now their governors, their senators have given them money, then buy property, they don't give a fuck anymore. Only to bring their own down. Okay, these people who could noodle to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down, now all of them are sitting down, relaxing. Then now I see that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Abuzi. Outsiders are the one agitating for them, asking for the release of their own brother. Kanu. Meme not there. Nkunu na akpo Uchechi not there. That girl. All of them keep quiet. Another girl can if I'm not about all of you people, you will not have nowhere to hide. You will not have nowhere to hide. Let's listen to this man. Please, as you are watching this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Share our videos. Like our videos. Drop your comment. As you are doing this, I say may God bless you. As you money many go shege. Kine meranyenka. Kaige one of them monte. Mmeremunju ebia this morning. Let's listen to one of them. Please, my brothers, just get to hear. Please, these are the people I'm talking about. You people know this man now. This one down here. You people knows him. This man had been an advocate for Simon Ekpa to be arrested. Him and his gang. The same thing he did, this man down here, the same thing he did during our leader. But listen now to his voice. These are the people, if you trust on this kind of people, your name will be sorry. Listen to his word here. Is there any time they will say, look, these people, they should not do their work, they should not secure the status? If there is insecurity in the status, then the federal government should be held accountable, because that was the clamor, Simon Ekpa, and that's why we said arrest him, detain him, and prosecute him. Let us now see, or know, based on non-government in the status, who are they? The federal government should not answer us. All the propaganda is coming home now. If there is any insecurity in the status, the federal government should not tell us who is behind it, because IPOP has made it categorically clear that they don't kill, they can't kill any Igbo man. So let them go and tell us who is that person in the status that is causing this problem. How can you call somebody unknown government? Remember, it was the federal government that called them unknown government. Because this propaganda now, we are beginning to unravel it. And let them tell us who is now giving them order. Or is this time on them in prison? Okay. It cannot be Nnamdi Kanu. You and I know that. So who are they acting on their order for people to sit down? Listen now, this man now ranting here. This man you see ranting here. These are the people who was writing petition, asking, you should bring Simon Ekpa home. You should do this. You should. Sunday Igboho, didn't him go to UK and drop it? Have you seen any Yoruba elder talk about Sunday Igboho activities? You can't see it. Okay, now ask this useless man to do that thing now that Simon Ekpa was doing. He can't do it. If you maganaga him something that you cannot do, if you name instead of ejayike, here ya januku, kwadoye, another na kwasreka umwanye. From one station to another, na gossip. Yawa with the one and a sike, including Nkena Mazi and the migat, small migat. Leleche the akunika, mleche yota ina mas this girl. You want opportunity akpọtaga na bekee ịbịa ị na-asụrụ anyị oyibo ama mebi mụtara oyibo nke a ị na-akpọ miget small miget. Okay, now that useless akunika na-akpọ mmadụ miget, now go and do something. Emusisi any people, this useless akunika or protest or if you tweet anything or talk about it, it's open anything concerning the freedom of his own and his people. If we are on our body cosa, or shape or maputa, or shape or maputa can one zona megare. This kind of the people, any day you trust your life in this kind of people that's not stable, my brothers and sisters, young you people will be gone. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Don't trust your life in this kind of people, unstable people. Ndika water wave. Many breeze in boat a yebru ha move for how for hanu che goes ha divert or where food face now their belly face. My brother, nothing more than your own freedom. No matter what you do in this life, nothing more than your own freedom. Listen here, let's hear from our leader. Our leader cried here. Nkunu na akpo mukefunu na akpo Chinasa Nworu na Ndote. These are the criminals. Ma nkozo anakpo Chike Doziem ndu shimbara this man okirikiri na choka time brown envelope nka ka the time mbiara ha. Listen to them here. Listen to our leader, what our leader said here. Mokin no near team now. Let's listen.
Our people are lame. They are weak. I am struggling to count how many men there are in Biafra land.
There is no more men. Now no more why now gossip up and down. Now television stations everywhere.
Docile and imbecile. weak. I don't know how we can take such people to war. I don't know how we can take men who are not men into battle and win.
Listen here. Listen to our leader, please. I know that, please, as you are watching our video, do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to our channel. Share our videos. Drop comments as you are doing that. I say, may God bless you.
If not, that I was called to do this very work, I will not speak to any of you anymore. The Chukwuabiama said this very gospel must be preached, and we must preach it. I have prayed since yesterday up until now. My request is very simple. The same prayer I made in secret, I will make out here in the open. Chukwuabiama, because since it is your intention that your kingdom will be restored upon this very earth, I need men. I need men. I did not say boys. I said I need men. Those of them that you created to restore your kingdom, they should come forward now, not tomorrow, not next year. You must bring them now. I did not say tomorrow. Because the insult is too much. It is beyond what any human being can endure. We want to go and get Biafra, or we die in the process, because we are better off dead than witness some of this nonsense going on. The level of insult is beyond what any decent human being can tolerate. I was an Achinama. They bring their cattle into our land. They desecrate our land. They kill us in the presence of our families, and nobody does anything about it. And when the police attend, the police sit idly by as people are being killed by not a multitude of people, only four. There was some mother and not also. Only four. People can serve an entire village in Biafra land, and we call ourselves men. No, we are not men. Until we redeem our honor. Until we look at integrity and say we must have a part of it. Until then,
thank you, our leader. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, our leader. Until you look at integrity, you say that you want to be part of integrity. Me, if you never do that, look at all these brand envelope journalists, Ndi Igbo, especially Obu Hawa, eager to voice of the people. All of them there are Ndi Igbo. Those girls and the men are Igbos. Their job is only gossiping like a woman. Tell me how many Yoruba have come out and condemned their own. Tell me one. Ndi Igbo emeru ni fe me mo obu hom unye nke mo obu osiona my lineage obu my family ko osi obu my cousin obu my brother. Instead can I destroy your ya. Forget all that. When you are destroying, you are also when you say that you are destroying this man, you are not destroying, you are destroying yourself. One mad he make it home again. You make it home again. All these people now bring alternative. You people will not bring alternative. Una na ushenere bashia keji. Nechekwe another person. That is why Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, all these people inviting you, both Dr. Damage, I thank God that you took the decision when we voice out. He said, don't mind these people. Don't go to no interview to any of them. These things that is happening now in Ebonyi State, in Enugu State, in all over the part of Igbo land. Did you see them talking anything about it? All of them are ripushing nime ife ribasha nime their shell keji. How they say there. But time have come now. Now they can't ask the question. Now we are asking them. Now this situation have been double. Who is the problem now? We are asking all these gossipers that goes to one platform to another, one station to another. Who is the problem now? So now, who is the problem? It's you people now is the problem. Because we cannot bring solution. You don't have anything to offer. You are there deceiving people, deceiving yourself. ọ ga-ama ohu ma nna ya ukwu. From me, from here is good morning. Please, brothers and sisters, unu na-enweta ozi a, biko nụ, unu nyere m aka na-atụsa ozi a. Drop your comment in the comment section. Drop your comment, like this video, subscribe to this channel. As you are doing that, asị m Chukwu okike abịa ama ife ọbụla ị metụrụ aka na ị na-eme ihe aka gị metụrụ ya bụrụ gị mmaji, ya mụọrọ gị mmaji pụrụ na mmaji. Asị m onye ime eluigwe nọ n'eluigwe, asị m ya gọzie gị, gọzie ọrụ aka gị ka ị na-enweta ozi a. Asị m onye ime eluigwe gọzie gị, gọzie ọrụ aka gị n'aha Chukwu okike abịa maka anyị na-ekwe. Gaa na comment section kwere m ise. Good morning.